Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Done any numericals, guys? Anyone having any doubts from previous class or any other topic? Anyone having any doubts?
No doubts, sir.
Today we'll see the surface areas and volumes. I think everybody knows what are the things there in surface areas and volumes, guys?
Sir, we need to find the surface areas and volumes of the combined figure, sir.
Yes. Combinations. Just briefly, we'll discuss the overall formulas of the surface areas and volumes. What are the standard figures we are having over here? Frustum of cone is not there. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In ninth standard itself, we gone through cuboid, cube. First one is cuboid. L. Sorry, this is L, this is B, this is H. What is the total surface area? 2 into
6a square.
LB plus BH plus LH. Curved surface area 2 of LB plus BH. Volume is LBH, cubic meters, cubic units, correct? If it is a cube, of all the sides are same A and A. So total surface area is equal to 6A square. Curved surface area is equal to 4A square. And volume is equal to A cube. And what about cylinder? Cylinder of radius R.
Sir, can you show the previous page? Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. We're done, sir.
What is the total surface area of the cylinder? Anyone?
2 pi r into r plus h.
So if we open, it will looks like this. It's like a rectangular sheet of h into 2 pi r and two circles, pi r square, pi r square. So this is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. If I'm taking 2 pi r common, 2 pi r into r plus h. And curved surface area only
2 pi RH.
2 pi r h. Volume
Pi r square h.
pi r square h. Next one. Cone. The dimensions of the cone is, this is called semi-vertical angle, semi-vertex angle, A, B, C. Slant height L, height of the cone is H, and radius of the cone is R. The relation between slant height and height of the cone and radius is L square is equal to H square plus R square. And what is the total surface area of the cone? Anyone?
Pi r into L plus R.
Pi r into L plus R. So bottom plus this curved surface area. So curved surface area is
Pi
pi
r
r
L.
L. Volume is
1 by 3 pi r square h.
pi r square h. 1/3 of the pi r square h. Now combinations. Generally we done individually in grade 9. Here we are going to discuss the combinations. Combinations means they will last like this. Suppose there is a capsule. Capsule is a combination of sphere and cylinder. So we are going to discuss the sphere also. Sphere. And of radius r. What is the, there is no curved surface area and total surface area. It's only surface area in case of a sphere, correct? What is the surface area of sphere? 4a square, sorry, 4 pi r square.
Yes, sir.
Volume of the sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. Next one is hemisphere. Hemisphere is having everything again. Curved surface area is how much? 2
2 pi r square.
2 pi r.
Total surface area, this curved surface area plus because of the cutting, if you see, if I'm cutting in this into this ops, it will looks like this. So a new surface is occurring. So this is the base of the hemisphere. So you will get 3 pi r square. So volume is how much?
2
Volume
by
doesn't
3 pi
depend
r
on
cube.
how many surfaces. So volume is half of the total sphere. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Frustum of the cone is not there. Frustum of the cone is, if I am cutting a cone with respect to base, so the cone is dividing into a small cone and remaining part, top and base is having a circles. This remaining part is called frustum of cone. That is not there. Correct? Everything is eliminated now, frustum of the cone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll see the combinations. Combinations means suppose there is a capsule, surface area of the combinations. They may ask this kind of figures. There is a capsule and both the ends are closed with hemispheres, or there is a toy. The toy is in such a way, the bottom is a sphere, hemisphere, and top is the cone, or a conical tent. How much cloth is required? These kind of numericals they are asking for us. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or how much volume of the ice cream? Certain things. Or there are the two cubes like this. If I join, what is the surface area of the cuboid? This is A. What is a, if I'm joining two cubes like this, there are having two cubes. If I'm joining these two cubes together, so what is the, what kind of figure you will get after joining? So might be this kind of, so a little visualization is required to understand these topics. That's it. Yes, we'll proceed to some numericals. Yeah, we'll start from 3 marks straight away. Later we'll back to the 2 marks question. Yes, so quite easy questions. Please start by your own, and any doubt we can discuss. I will ask randomly. They have to send the solution to me. Please, everyone, please try. This topic is very much easy, and you should not lose any kind of marks in case of examination.
Sir, which one?
Sorry?
Sir, which question, sir? 13, 14, or 15?
Can able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. 13, 14, or 15, sir. Which question?
13. First do the 13, everyone. Do the 13th question.
So it's from first round. 13th question.
Sorry.
Deleted. So it's deleted question, right?
Yeah, it's a deleted. Go for 14th one. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck. How it looks? 7 centimeter long and 4 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 21 centimeter. Find the quantity of the water it can hold. Is my diagram is correct? Check. 14th question. The glass is looking like this. Is it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Parts here. There is a cylindrical part and there is a spherical part. What is the radius of the spherical part? So the diameter of the spherical part is 21.
21 by 2.
So the 21 by 2 is the radius of the sphere. And what is the radius of the cylindrical part?
So 2.
4 centimeter diameter. So 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. And what is the height?
7 centimeter.
7.
So he is asking find the quantity of water. Whenever they are saying the quantity of water, he is asking only volume of the glass will be equal to the quantity of water it can hold. That is volume of cylinder plus volume of the sphere. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So pi radius of the cylinder square plus h plus 4 by 3 pi radius of the sphere cube. 4 pi r cube. Correct? So find out the final answer. What you are getting?
Sir, his answer is 4.939 liters, sir.
4.939
939 liters.
39 liters. What is a 1 liter is equal to how many meter cube?
1000.
10 power minus 3
Yes, sir.
or 1000 cubic centimeter. From this, we can able to convert into liters. You will get the answer in centimeter cube. From that, you can able to convert into meter. Is everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go for 15th question. From a rectangular block of wood having dimensions 15, 10, 3.5, a pen stand is made by making. It's a direct textbook question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question is incomplete.
The question is incomplete, sir.
Yes. I'm recopying the question. Just a minute. Yes, please proceed. Radius of each one of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth of 2.1 centimeter. Find the volume of the wood left in the pen stand. So total volume minus 6 times into volume of the conical distribution. Four conical depressions. So 4 into volume of the conical depressions. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This will be like this. So there are the 4 conical depressions. So by making 4 conical depressions of the radius, it is so total volume is 3.5, 10. This is 15. That's it. Do it. Try. What is the volume of the block?
So 525 centimeter cube, sir.
520.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is the answer 523.53?
What is the volume of the block you got?
525, sir.
525 centimeter cube. Volume of the each conical depression?
Sir, for one conical depression, I got 0.55 centimeter cube, sir.
Yes, sir.
1/3 pi r square h. Correct? 1/3. Depth means its height. 22/7. Radius is 0.5 into 0.5 into 2.1. So 7 into 3 is 21, so 0.1. Am I right? How much you got? Each one? 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.1 into 22. Correct? How much it will be? Niranjan, sorry, please.
So 0.55.
0.55 centimeter cube. So total 4.
So 2.2, sir.
2.2 centimeter cube. So what is the wood left in the rectangular block?
525 minus
522.80
2.2.
centimeter cube.
525 minus 2.2.
525 minus 2.2. How much?
522.8.
522.80.
22.80 centimeter cube. So try the 16th one. No, 16th one is not. Yeah, 16th one. Try the 16th one. It's not frustum of cone. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Not frustum of cone. It's a general thing only. The height of a cone is 20 centimeter. A small cone is cut off from the top by a parallel to the, if its volume is 1 by 1/25 of the volume of the original cone, determine the at what height above the base of the section is made. See, this is original cone, and suppose if it is cutted up to here, so this total volume is V, and a small part from the top it is removed, and this volume is 1 by 1/25 of V. Am I right? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
What he is asking? This is a relation he gave. He is asking this height, at what height from the base he want to cut. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So how you will do? Anyone got the answer?
Sir, the answer is 16 centimeters, sir.
The question first of all. Yeah, the height of the cone is, this total height is 20, and suppose he is cutting at a h. His height is x. So v is equals small cone cut off. A height of the cone is given, radius is not given. So 1/3 pi r square into 20. Small is 1/3 pi r dash square into x. So the relation between them is v dash is equal to 1 by 125 times of v. Same way we done, Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's see. We'll wait for other answers also.
Okay, sir.
What is the relation between small r and capital R and h and this one? This is a relation you have to take to eliminate the r values. This is r dash, this is r, this total height is 20, and this is x. So from tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. So r dash by x, that will be equal to r by 20. So using this relation, you can eliminate the r dash by r is equals x by 20. So from here, you will get the x values right away. So once you got the x value, 20 minus x value, will use the h value. Right. The same method you used, Niranjan?
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I have done what we have done to up to v dash is equal to 1 by 125 v, sir. So
Yes.
for that I got an equation, sir,
What
and
is
then I
1/3 pi r dash square into x, correct?
yes, sir.
And what is v? 1 by 125 into 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi is cancelled, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this will be r dash square x will be equal to r square into 20 by
125, sir.
125. So next,
So next I actually I proved that both the triangles are
it's all
equal, sir.
both the triangles are
Sir, are congruent, sir, and then I used the BPT theorem, sir.
yes. So r dash by r is equal to how much you got? X by 20 now.
Yes, sir.
So this is r dash by r whole square into x will be equal to 20 by 125. So from here, x by 20 whole square into x is equals 20 by 125. So I will get x cube will be equal to 20 cube by 5 cube. Correct?
Yes, sir.
20 by 5 by force. So I will get x is equal to 4 centimeter. So h will be equal to 20 minus x, that is 16 centimeter. Anyone got any different answer or same answer or any method? Please share your different methods also regarding of this question, related to this question. Please need your contributions if you are having any alternate methods. You have to use similar triangles or trigonometry, tan theta, semi-vertex angle. Anything. Guys, is it clear? Any doubt in this question? Question number 16, having any doubt, anyone? Oh, yeah. Please let me know. We'll discuss again if you want.
No doubt.
Didn't get, sorry. Shall I move to the next one? Try this question, everyone. A solid toy is in the form of hemisphere surrounded by a right circular cone of height. The cone 4 centimeter and diameter of the base is 6 centimeter. Calculate the volume of the toy, surface area of the toy. The surface area of the toy is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the sphere. That is, you have to keep it in mind. First, you have to start the diagram. The solid toy is in the form of hemisphere surmounted by right circular cone. So then the toy is like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So height of the cone is 4 centimeter and diameter of the base is 6 centimeter. So this diameter is surmounted means exactly it is aligned. And height of the cone is only up to here. Not height of the toy. Sometimes they will give the height of the toy. You have to be careful what is the exact given dimensions. So this height will be equal to half of the diameter, that is 3 centimeter. So radius of the sphere is 3 centimeter, that is radius of the base of the cone. So height will be equal to 4 centimeter. So volume will be equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. But when it comes to total surface area of the toy will be equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Because when it is overlapping, the surface is vanishing. Find out and let me know what are the answers.
Sir, I got the volume of toy as 94.285 centimeter cube, sir.
94.28.
So I also got the same, sir.
285 centimeter cube.
Find the total surface area of the toy.
Sir, I got 84.78 centimeter square, sir.
80.
4.78 centimeter square.
Wait for others.
Okay, sir.
Guys, what about others? No response. Got the same answer. Shall I move to the next question? Amrita, Harshita, Trishan, Sandhya, Ovia.
So doing, sir. Doing.
Yeah. We'll do one or two questions and we will wind up the class today. Just try some more numericals. Based on your doubt, we can extend the next class again. Yeah. Try this question. A cylindrical tub of radius 12 centimeter contains water to a depth of 20 centimeter. A spherical ball is dropped into the tub and the level of the water is raised by 6.75 centimeter. Find the radius of the ball. How to solve this question? Anyone? First
Sir,
take-
volume of the spherical ball will be equal to the volume of the water displaced in the cylindrical tub, sir. So when we equate
Final
both,
volume minus initial volume. That also you can write. See, there is a rise by 6.75 centimeter. Initially, cylindrical tub of radius 2 centimeter at a depth of 20 centimeter. After dropping the spherical shell, the water is raised by 6.75 centimeter means what? The height of the cylindrical tub water level is 6.75 centimeter after dropping the sphere, correct?
yes, sir.
So the change in volume will be equal to volume of the sphere. From that, you can able to calculate the radius. Quick, find out radius of the sphere.
Sir, is the radius is 9 centimeters, sir.
9 centimeter. Pi r square h2 minus h1 will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Correct? This formula you are using, this is a change in volume of the cylindrical tub. This is the volume of the sphere. Same formula used. Niranjan.
Sir, I used 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h, sir. I consider that 6.75 as the height of the cylinder, sir.
So 12 into 12 into h2 minus h1 is raised by 6.75. So this h2 minus h1 value is 6.75. That will be equal to 4 by 3. So how much you are getting? 12 into 3 into 6.75. What is the answer you got?
Sir, I got 729 centimeter cube.
7
29.
radius.
Sir, radius 9 centimeters, sir.
Radius is 9. How 9?
Sir, cube root of
Sir, cube root of
729.
729 is 9, sir.
This whole thing is 729. Check. The whole thing is 729.
No, sir. It's 243, sir. But I got 729, sir.
Check where we done the mistake.
It's at 12 into 3 into 6.7 phase 24 degrees. Sir.
So it will come one more 3 because this 3 gone in this side. It will come one more 3 here. Into 3 into
Now it's 729, sir, when we are multiplying the 3.
now it is coming 729. From here, radius of this sphere will be equal to 9 centimeter. Try to draw the diagrams. Go for the 19th question same way. It's a pre-board question, it seems. They asked it in pre-board. Try the 19th question, everyone. We will end up the class with this question. You try some more questions which is related to these topics and let me know in the next class. Complete the 19th question and we can close the class. There is a canal 30 meter wide and 12 meter deep. So this is the depth of the canal 12 meter and this is the width of the canal 30 meter and it irrigating a land, and in such a way the land will be filled with and the speed of the water is 10 kilometer per hour. How much area it will irrigate in 30 minutes? That is in half an hour, how much area it will irrigate in such a way? 8 centimeter standing water required for the irrigation. So there is an area. So I don't know what it is, but the height of the water need to stand is 8 centimeter. So area into 8 centimeter will be equal to volume of the water coming out of the canal in 30 minutes. That is a clue here. Do it. How to calculate the volume of the water is coming out of a pipe? If you know the time.
So first we need to find the volume, sir, and then equate it to the time, sir.
AVT. Volume of water coming out of a pipe or a canal. This is in centimeter and this is in meter. Convert everything into meter and try.
Sir, I got the answer as 22,500 meters square, sir.
22,000.
500 meters square.
Wait for others. Let's check. अरे क्लास ना चेक ओके done. Guys, anyone got the answer? 22,500 meter square area. Guys, if they're asking in hectares, how we will do? How many hectares? Represent the answer in terms of hectares.
22.5 hectares, sir.
What is 1 hectare? Anyone having an idea?
1000 meters square.
Area?
Sir, 1 hectare is equal to 1000 meters square, sir.
One hectare will be equal to 10,000 meters square. Please. 1 hectare will be equal to 10,000 meters square. So how many hectares? In this case, 2.25 hectares. Clear, guys? Anyone having any doubt? Any other questions shall we discuss? Or shall I close the class? Next class we can discuss, continue with the doubts. Guys, I need some response from you people. Shall I
No
close
doubt, sir.
the class? Ovia, Sandhya, Arshida, guys, Srishant.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Class.
Yes.
No
Guys,
doubt, sir.
from different sources or different worksheets. Please let me know if you are having any doubt. So we meet in next class. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir, you told that ma'am will give that worksheet which are shared to her related to
Not given.
areas. No, sir, we didn't receive yet, sir.
Okay, I will send by tomorrow or tonight. Areas
Okay, sir.
related to circles, and this chapter and statistics and probability. Everything I will try to send it by tonight. Okay,
Sir, surface areas and volumes we got, sir.
we got
Yes, sir.
areas related to circles and circles not received. Correct?
Yes, sir. And then statistics and probability also,
I
sir.
will inform to her. No problem. I will inform. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.